Now, how can you see your GoPro footage? Let's get into it. So, whenever you're using the GoPro device to record videos, in order to view the footage directly, what you can do is just to swipe up from the bottom to the top right there, right? So this will open up the gallery view and you can play the video right there. So it's very useful, right? You can swipe across, but you also can tap on the grid icon in the top left corner. And this will open it up in like a nicer view where you can just go in between all of the footage which has ever been recorded on that SD card. You can just see it a little bit over, in a nicer way. However, you have more options how you can do that, right? How you can view the footage. You can also just open up the case of the GoPro itself and pop out the SD card, which will then allow you to use a different adapter and either connect it to a computer or a phone, a tablet, whichever device might support it. So you can also just view your footage that way. However, the best option, if you ask me, or at least the most convenient, is to use the Quik app from the App Store, which is specifically designed for the GoPro. It's developed by GoPro, and it is a way of you connecting your camera with your phone. And if you just set it up and make the connection, like pair it and everything, you'll then be able to view your footage directly on your phone in real time, and it's just very useful. You can download it to your phone if you like, and yeah, obviously it's much easier to see it on a larger screen of your phone than on this like smaller one of a GoPro. So that's why I like it a little bit more, even though it takes some power, it takes some time, but yeah, I think it is worth it. So that's it. That's how you can see your GoPro footage. Let me know below in the comments which option is your most favorite one, as yeah, there are more options on how you can do that, but that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.